Hey there, hope you are having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install PyCharm IDE on a Windows operating system. PyCharm basically is a popular IDE used for developing Python programs. So in order to use PyCharm IDE, you need to have Python installed on your system. But if you don't have Python installed on your system, go watch my videos on how to install it and continue with this video. Now to install PyCharm, go to your browser and search for PyCharm by typing in PyCharm on the search bar. Now click on the link from JetBrains.com. Here simply click on download to download the IDE. Now you can see that we have download options for Windows, macOS and Linux. So to download it for Windows, simply select the Windows option, and here we have professional version and community version of the IDE. If you want the professional version, you need to pay and get access. But for Python development, you can go for the community version, which is free. So click on this download button and it starts downloading. Once the download is finished, simply click on this installer file. This opens up the installation wizard for PyCharm Community Edition setup. Now let's minimize our browser and click on next. Keep the default location as it is, or change it if you like, and click on next. Now here check this box to create desktop shortcut and keep the other options unchecked for now and click on next. Here let's name the start menu folder for convenience as PyCharm IDE and then click on install. Wait for a couple of seconds for the installation to finish. Once it's finished installing, click on finish. Now to open the PyCharm IDE, go to your taskbar and type in PyCharm. Click on this PyCharm Community Edition and here we have the terms and conditions. So simply accept it and click on continue. Here if you want to share your data with JetBrains, click on this send options. But for now, I'm gonna go with don't send options. This opens up our PyCharm IDE. Now let's create our first Python project using PyCharm IDE. To do that, simply click on new project and here let's name our project, let's say Python projects. So here you can see the Python installation folder if you have Python installed on your system. Now click on create and this opens up the IDE with your project folder. So under your Python project folder, you have this main.py file, and if you click on it, you can see this sample Python script. So to run this sample Python scripts, simply click on this run button. And here at the bottom, you are able to see the output, hi PyCharm, from the sample script. Now if you want to create a new Python file, simply right click on the project folder and click on new file. And name the file as, let's say, hello.py. Here let's write a simple Python program. Print inside of parentheses and double quotes or single quotes, whatever, hello world, and save it. Now simply click on this run button to run the file, and here we can see the output hello world. So now you are all set to use PyCharm for your Python program development. Thanks for watching and hope it helps. So if you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe.